Yo, what's up guys? This is Misha. Welcome back to my channel. Today it's a rainy day. As you can see, clouds are all over the sky. So there is no chance really to work with the heavy machinery in the olive tree grow. So I figure out that I might take you on a little tour of my camper van. I don't know which year it was built, but it's definitely worth looking inside. So this camper van comes in handy for situations like this, or maybe when the heat is too high, you can go inside, open the windows, and the wind will blow through it so you don't get overheated while you work. I figured that I might give you a little tour of this very old camper. It wasn't cleaned yet, but I promise that I will give it a thorough clean next time. Guys, it's starting to rain heavily, so let's jump inside, okay? Let's go. So guys, we are inside my camper van. This is an old Yugoslav era built camper. I bought it from a farmer for, believe it or not, 200 euros. Yes, you heard it right. The old man had it on his property, and when he was selling the property, he wanted to get rid of it. But I figured that this artifact from Yugoslav era luxury was worth buying for 200 euros. Today I'm gonna show you around the luxury of the Yugoslav communistic era camper build. So first of all, let's start from the kitchen. Here we have a kitchen setup that works on propane. I don't have a propane tank yet. I never cleaned it, so you can see that there is a lot of, cleaning to be done. On this side there is a sink. You can see this. I can put it here, just a second. I use this side. This is an old system like this, so we have a working space on this side. The same here on this side, the same. You put it like this and you have a full kitchen working space. Really nice. This is the sink like this, and you have the pump on the floor that you can use. You just step on it and the water should be pumped by your foot into the sink. The sink is pretty deep, so a lot of dishes could be made. I think I will activate this for situations like this, of course, in the future, but for now it's like it was in original state. So if we store away the kitchen area very carefully, not to break anything, this is from the 1980s. Okay, here we have an old-fashioned fridge. Oh my god, look inside. It has a freezer. Old-fashioned freezer. Oh my god. I bet it still works, because everything from that era was indestructible. Nice depth. The whole arm goes in, so you can store a lot of drinks, especially cold beers. And here underneath we have some storage. Oh my god. Here, more storage. This is the water tank place, and I believe also the propane tank goes inside. Here you can have some poultry inside. Here you have the good old 220 volt electricity that is powered from the outside cable. More storage here for probably some food. The same on this side. And here we can have some more storage on either side. Here, here, and in both upper apartments over the major bed. and also on this side here. So it has two beds. This is a large bed, probably that could sleep, by specifications it could sleep 2 people. I don't believe I could sleep alone. With the way how I dance at night, probably I could not sleep here alone. And on the other side, this is just like a sitting area that converts to a bed, but probably for a small child. Also, this bed converts to a big dining area. You can see the table, the folding table, and it makes more space probably for 4 people. And if you put a folding chair here, probably for 5 people could easily eat in here. Now this locker doesn't open. I think it's closed here by key. I will have to break in some way. And there is more storage here down below. So I have a little surprise for you. When I bought this camper van, I thought about light. So I said, I don't have solar panel up top. Probably one day I will mount it, and a battery. But here I just put some LED lights all over the place. So I have all of these lights that can, by a simple click, make light, quite a lot of lighting. So you can see they switch on quite easily. And I have them on both sides. So here, here, and here. So now I will shut the curtains and show you how it looks by night. So guys, I'm gonna wrap up this rainy episode right now. The rain is coming down quite strongly, and I hope you enjoyed the small tour of my Adria 1980s camper van. We see each other in the next episode, guys. Peace out, keep on farming. Ciao.